How do they feel out there now?
I think they're glad to be back on the sea. I think after a couple of days of partying and getting a lot of attention, they like to be alone with the ship again and the crewmates.
How do you feel now, seeing a ship leaving and you're not on it?
I'm leaving on a ship soon too, so I'm going back there out sailing again. But it's great. I like seeing the ships leave because it's like they're always happy. You line up, you get ready to go out to sea. I like it because that's when the ship looks good.
So, would you like to join the ship?
I would really like to try and sail on one of these big boats.
Why is that?
It's fascinating. It's a tradition. It's another world. It's so different than what I'm used to.